Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You pick up and dial the emergency number for your area. Do it now. Once connected, state the emergency in one sentence: fire, unconscious person, or crime in progress. Make sure to give your exact location: street address, floor, apartment number, or nearby landmark. If you don't know the address, describe cross streets and visible signs. Keep your phone line open and listen. The dispatcher will guide you. Do not hang up until they tell you to. Once done with location, tell the dispatcher exactly what happened and when. Be concise yet specific. Describe how many people are involved and their condition: conscious, breathing, bleeding. Make sure to mention immediate dangers: smoke, gas smell, down power lines, or traffic blocking access. If you can, answer their questions directly. Short yes/no or brief facts work best. Stay on the line for instructions. Paramedics or police may need immediate guidance from you. You must follow the dispatcher's instructions exactly. CPR steps, evacuation routes, or staying put. Do not improvise. If the call drops, call back immediately and state you were disconnected. If responders are delayed, give periodic updates, changes in condition, or new hazards. If you can't speak the local language, use simple words, point to your location on a map, or ask bystanders for help. The dispatcher can sometimes connect to a translator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.